Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a 68 reg BMW X1 sDrive, diamond cut alloys, opening panoramic roof, rear parking sensors, in a very nice metallic black. With a nice beige leather interior. Side airbags on the seats, obviously. Handbooks in here. And opening panoramic roof. Isofix front seat as well. Isofix rear seat. 2 USB-Cs here. Electronic tailgate, power outlet here. This is to fold these seats down, both sides. You can fold the seats down electronically. Nice area under there. Inflation kit here. So very important you have that. To shut the tailgate, push that button there. That's the tailgate. Into the vehicle, has automatic lights here, keyless, so you put your foot on the brake, push this button to start the vehicle. You have a power outlet here. This obviously shuts if you don't want it open. Automatic, heated seats. You can shut the blind if you wish. That blind will shut all the way. And you can vent this. And you can open the roof. Wind deflector here. Vanity mirrors, both sides. Car's done 35,398 miles. Rear parking sensors, as you can see. Menu, and you can move these where you wish. Radio, DAB radio. CD player, dual climate, speed limiter, cruise control. You can drive it tiptronically, is what these buttons here are for. Auto wipers, obviously auto lights, which you can just see there. And to turn the vehicle off, you push this button here. Got a USB here. I'll show you the navigation. You've got a map. You can see you've got navigation on this vehicle. To turn the vehicle off, push that to turn the vehicle off. Comes with 2 keys, the vehicle. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Thank you for watching.